In this video, we will demonstrate how to access data from AVEVA Data Hub when using Microsoft's Power BI desktop application. We will use AVEVA Data Hub's Power BI connector to access and retrieve the data before loading into the Power BI desktop application. Additional learning resources are also highlighted at the end of the video. To start this work, you will have already set up your AVEVA Data Hub service, including user access and data transfers. Access to your Data Hub service will have been provided through AVEVA Connect. You will have created the required data views in the Analytics area of AVEVA Data Hub. You will have installed Microsoft Power BI desktop application on your desktop device. Next, let's review how to download and install the Power BI connector from AVEVA Data Hub. Open AVEVA Data Hub from AVEVA Connect. Select Analytics, then select Data Views from the side menu. Check that your required data views are displayed. Select the arrow symbol to download the Power BI connector from the top menu. Open the user guide, if required, then select Download to proceed. Open your Downloads folder. Select the file, and open, to extract the files. Select OK, to proceed. Select Next, to start the setup. Select Install. Select Finish, to exit the completed setup. Next, let's use the Power BI desktop application to retrieve your data views. Select Get Data from the top menu. Then select More. Start typing AVEVA until Data Hub Views is displayed. Select AVEVA Data Hub Views, and then select Connect. Enter your Data Hub namespace in the namespace field. Select OK to proceed. Sign in using your AVEVA Connect account credentials before proceeding. Select Connect to proceed. You can select from either stored data or interpolated data views. Let's select some interpolated data for this example. Choose the data view that you want to work with. Select the start and end of the data you require by overtyping these fields. When you are happy with your settings, select Apply to preview. Preview the data that will be imported. Select Load to complete the process. The data has been imported and can now be visualized as required in Power BI. To access additional guidance for this activity, visit docs.aveva.com/category/adh-get-started. View the Power BI connector page, as shown. The navigation to this page is demonstrated in the next section. From AVEVA Docs, open Get Started with AVEVA Data Hub. Open Analytics. Open the Power BI Connector section to view more details. This completes the video for using the Power BI Connector in AVEVA Data Hub.